shorten the other one. Third one.
There you go. Just put them on. Some people try to jack up the tractor. Now you're getting dangerous. Put them on. Get them kind of even hanging front to back. Drive ahead so they're about in a 9 o'clock position on the back side where you can get it both sides. Now this style here has just got a hook on one side, and then it's got this hook here that you hook through, and then you slide it around and just hook it over the chain. There's all different styles, but you don't need them too tight. Trust me, 20 minutes after you put them on, they're going to be loose. Okay, thanks for watching. Alright, here I'll show you. To take a plank out of the other side here to show you how this latch works. It's just a long slide link. You can hook that hook right in the link, push it up, pry this down like that, and just hook it in the chain. Some of them will have an extra link here to hook them into. Our skid steer has a style like that. I get down to that, I'll show you that. Some of them just use like a repair link. In fact, one of them on our skid steer is like that because the thing on them are cheap and one of them broke. That one over there was getting really sloppy, so we had to take one of these cross links out. I should have showed you how that tool works. We have a special tool that bites right into these and pries them open and then pinches them shut. That's how the latches work. Alright, here's a video on the different kind of lock I was going to tell you about. See, it's just a flat bar. Put over there and crimp that together. It's got a bunch of frozen mud on it right now. But you just stick it through your link, you fold it around, and then it's got a what I call a keeper link. Hooks into that, and you can just move this from link to link as you tighten it up. I could probably almost get another link out of here to get right up to the final link, and then I have to cut one of these out.